Well, they called and said he was about 15 minutes out from delivering the trikes. So Sadie is just got home, getting her a little bit to eat if she can. She wants to get out here before the truck gets here. So, oh, look at that. What a mess. There you go. And we'll just see how it goes. Well, I don't know. Maybe this is it.
Coming from that direction?
Could be.
This must be it.
Okay. He said he's going to back up into this. I don't know. He's better than I am. He's good at what he's doing.
Should I told him that he could come?
No, I don't. He knows what he's doing. Okay, we're waiting. No, they give him a hand truck that works, and so he just got to get it. He just got to get him on the gate. The gate lowers it, then he can just use the hand truck to put him over there. So, yeah, he doesn't have to do the lifting. He's got equipment to help with that. The infamous day.
Still is sharp.
Yes.
So what's the next move? Let's do a cut.
Did you get this one cut? All right. So come on, Sadie. Make this happen. Here, you can give that to me. What's in there? You want a bigger... I can understand what just happened here.
What?
Sadie peeked inside this one and saw that it was green. So she says, heck no, I'm going to go open the other one. Underneath the cardboard. No, like this. Inside there. Ooh, that's a pretty color green.
Yes.
Look at that.
Colors are really nice.
Pretty colors. Alright, so Sadie had to get mine out of the way because she wanted to see hers. Yeah, between the staples, that's a good idea.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Now, the first thing, okay, I turned around to go charge the batteries,
And the next thing you know,
and the next thing you know, she had to sit. She didn't even get the wrapping off it yet. She had to sit.
yay! This feels good and it's easy to stand up.
There you go. There are our two trikes. Batteries are charging. Time to get ready for a dump run. Her maiden voyage without batteries. And I had to move the boom up quite a bit, so we'll have to take some lengths of chain out for her.
Feels good.